The next sound is from Portugal. Big Badda Boom. Wagwan Berlin. Two things. First, Fabian, me not counteract your speech. Me counteract your attitude. You think you're already won? Sound clash and reggae is all about heart and not about money. Remember me tell you no. Young blood, you're not the youngest sound here. You're only the youngest guys here. Okay? Me, I come from Portugal, and we are the first sound system from Portugal ever to go outside of Portugal to clash. So it's already a win for we. And me come from Portugal, but me come from Angola, the place where I was born. Where me African people inside? Where me African people inside Berlin? Okay, start it.
We are gonna kill them bumbleclot.
You know,
we are gonna kill them bumbleclot.
do it proper.
When them fin know big Badda Boom, them no play.
Them now.
Jump on the bed to get away.
Introduction.
Cause you walk out dead if you stay. Apprentice make them know. In the
You know
dance
some-
all the mighty dance. Big Badda Boom, maga kill tonight.
Portugal is a small country,
In the dance all the mighty dance.
but we
Big
already
Badda
conquer
Boom,
half the
maga
world.
kill tonight.
We're happy, enjoy it.
I go kill them bumbleclot. Big Badda Boom, I kill.
Hold on. This is the way they can do everything they want. They will never kill me because you cannot stop my dreams. Let go my next one.
Play what you wanna play, yeah. That's not Big Badda Boom's concern. Give it never lose his way.
Bring your combination. Bring your breed artist.
Them can't kill my sound.
Never.
Could never kill my sound.
Them will never kill we.
Jump and selectors around. They try to push her to the ground. Big Badda Boom.
Hold on.
Big Badda Boom Sound, I'm here saying,
Level.
speak up a silver time.
This was supposed to be an upcoming sound clash. And they gave you a new chance to clash because you lost already 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, tell them what one. Clash.
There it
In the
is.
dance hall tonight. Clash. Badda Boom kill jump and sound. Clash. Knock some boy run and go hide.
We came to enjoy, we came to have fun. We don't have the attitude Reggae Bash has.
Right off them sound. Big Badda Boom Sound. Whoa, yeah. Big Badda
Who them?
Oh yes, oh.
Follow your dream.
Big Badda Boom, the star up in the sky. Color sound dead tonight. Reggae Bash has made it.
Nowhere.
Big Badda Boom, the greatest.
You know something?
Young but a little bit of hope. Yes, himself.
They had to give another chance to Reggae Bash because they always lose it.
Big Badda Boom, the greatest.
Crazy.
Hey, G, I pray on this, Matata. Hey, yo, I put
We were the first Portuguese in Rotterdam. We are the first Portuguese clashing European.
the dance hall arena, we in. Badda boom. Yaga yo.
This is like an anthem for we.
Yaga yo, badda boom. Hey, Badda Boom, who ready? Stand up and fight, cause you a warrior. Can't make a sound boy cross your barrier. Badda Boom, stand up and fight, cause you a warrior. And the sound is, and them Badda Boom, don't sorry for. Stand up and fight, cause you a warrior. Can't make a sound
You know
boy cross your barrier. Boom, stand up and fight, cause you a
They don't know what they started.
representing
Listen,
again.
what them start?
Badda Boom has created a monster. This little innocent girl, we walk her one time, she love it and broke out like cancer. I know what body you call her.
What's the answer?
She said Big Badda Boom are the only answer. I know she no want no talk nor conversation. She want it
Man,
longer.
Kalaloo, what about the French girls?
Younger. She used to be scared of the dick. Now she got used to the stick and angle it like a real bitch.
To the world, to the flipping world.
What I'm get life for the crime.
You know, we don't have that much money at them we, but we play how we are artist. NBC, we real.
Badda boom, you are the real sound. And everyone can know that that's the deal sound. And when it comes to killing, you know fear sound.
Real hardcore.
And when those they drop up here, rat-tat-tat-tat.
And I'm Sonia. It is written that line lives with abomination to the Lord.
Who knows Johnny Osborne? Them a bring all them doublets, but then back up and leave.
I get killed at the truth. Surrender your sound and all of your dub plates.
Wheel back, wheel back.
Boom, kill.
And you know something, Fabian? Me not come from Germany. Me not say peng peng. Me say boom boom and pom pom because we come from Portugal.
That line lives with abomination to the Lord. Speak the truth, speak it ever, cast it.
Pussy.
If I sing pan sound,
shut up your mouth.
Sound tonight.
You getting vexed.
Some boy get killed at the
wicked.
Surrender your sound and all of your dub plates. Badda boom, kill your sound from your reach at the dance hall game. Partiality has no place in this sound clash. Remember these dubs of prophecy. I say, a sound boy run. Come, give in your life. A badda boom sound about. You run, come, give away your life.
You know, I noticed that you like Johnny Osborne. So if you allow me to play one more Johnny Osborne, let me see your finger up. One finger up. One more Johnny.
Godfather from Jamaica. At the big bad Badda Boom Sound, Mr. Osborne said that. Big up my light G. Big up Apprentice. From Lisboa, Portugal, Mr. Osborne said that. Lego
we can have fun and enjoy it.
Yeah, big bad Badda Boom.
Johnny, one more.
But let me hear you say, whoa. Yeah. Say, whoa. Whoa.
Listen clear.
Number one, we always pan top, but we never play second. And we no play number two. Number two, I feel sing pan sound like you. Number three, me say Badda Boom Sound
in a category. We kill your sound and we kill more. Again.
Say whoa. You say yeah.
Yeah.
Say whoa. Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah.
One more track. Lego.
Rural or suburban. Yeah.
Yeah.
Man,
Kill a drum and sound.
we young, but we solid.
Boom sound. Them want Badda Boom Sound to go down, but the dubs them play will kill any sound. Kill jump and in the country or town. Big Badda Boom don't make no sense, them a clown. Oh, Jah bless, I say no man curse. Things getting better.
You see,
thought it would be worse.
Reggae Bash, we only started and you already vexed. What's wrong?
Boom sound, you run the turf. Badda Boom solid, that's a rap. Badda Boom, you kill a drum and sound. People will say this and that. Badda Boom, when you run them out of town.
Hold on. It's almost going to the end, but you know, we already won from the moment SuperLock invited us. So we have no pressure. The pressure is upon Reggae Bash because they always lose in sound clash. So they have a new opportunity to go against smaller sounds. Okay, let go my track.
Matata murder.
That's the way you move, Boosty.
Bang, 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 bang.
That's the blood clot way you move. Again.
Son boy, I flex like some little pussy. Move like them assistant. Flexing like a dan and not them Timberland.
Bang.
Bang, 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 bang. Big Badda Boom, I murder them.
We don't have your money,
I'm to them son boy over
but we Portuguese, we have hearts.
Son boy, I flex like some little pussy. Move like them assistant. Flexing like a dan and not them Timberland. But them a miss it, them assistant just a stinking system. Moving like a gallant. Oh, them a bossy, mixy bitch, them assistant. Big fat sister, tell me something.
Final entry.
Like
One more tune.
Move like you want.
We ready, Gee? Lego. Who's running the blood-clad business now? If you think Badda Boom gone good, say Badda Boom.
Apprentice, a Taurus rider representing, squeezing. How we them afraid that big
Who runs the
officially representing Big Badda
Level.
Boom.
Level. Make some noise inside, yeah!
Well, if I don't play it all exclusive, how we and if I guide this in life from lose it,
how we run it? How we run it?
Yes, we're full up and don't play it, full up a remix, we run it.
You coming against me? You don't know what you did.
How we love it, how we run it.
Give thanks, Yam.